The last rites of Assam's cultural icon, Zubeen Garg, will be held at Sonapur in Assam on Tuesday. Assam government has ordered a second autopsy to aid the investigation into Zubeen's sudden death. The autopsy will be conducted at Guwahati Medical College with doctors from AIIMS present. Following the autopsy, the remains will be taken to the cremation ground in Sonapur for the final rites. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju and officials from various states will attend the funeral. A memorial site will also be built in Sonapur in Zubeen Garg's memory. Meanwhile, Assam police will travel to Singapore for further investigation. All right, Subina is joining us from Dibrugarh. Subina, we tell our viewers that last rites of Zubeen Garg will be held today. What more can you add?
Yeah, a very good morning, Preeti. This is the fourth day of state mourning that Assam is having. And people of Assam are having sleepless nights because they are really shocked by the untimely demise of actor of Zubeen Garg. So the Assam government last night had ordered for a second autopsy report of the legendary singer because many allegations have come up. So to overcome any foul reports, a second autopsy will be conducted today early morning at 3:30 a.m. His mortal remains were taken to the Guwahati Medical College. And the autopsy report will be conducted in a short while. And where the doctors of AIIMS will also be present for the autopsy report. Following which, after the post-mortem, his remains will be taken to Sonapur at Kumarkuchi village, where the Assam government has allocated a 10-bigha land to build a memorial site on his name, and it is near the National Highway 37. The funeral rites is expected to be attended by Union Cabinet Minister Kiren Rijiju, Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, and then some government ministers, including the CM, the leader of opposition, a representative from Assam Sahitya Sabha, representative from the film fraternity, and including his family members, which includes a list of 85 persons. No private vehicles will be allowed near the location. Only the government will provide buses in which their families and close members will attend the funeral. And post the final rites, a gun salute will also be performed. Following which, after the rites, his ashes will be taken to Jorhat, where another memorial site will be built, which was his home town, Preeti. And for the past 2 days, thousands and lakhs of fans, admirers have been paying tributes to the legendary singer. Yesterday, King of Bhutan had paid his last tributes. And then the singer Papon had also paid his last tributes to the legendary singer. The governor of Assam had also paid his last tributes yesterday. And we could see different tributes being poured yesterday at Busan International Film Festival. Also, a tribute was given to Zubeen Garg. And at the ICC World Cup, Women's World Cup, also a tribute will be given to the late singer Zubeen Garg. Zubeen Garg was not just a filmmaker or a singer or a film director, but he was an emotion for the people of Assam because he always stood up for the people of Assam in their times of need during floods. Donations were given to the flood-affected victims. He was associated with different organizations. He played a pivotal role in provincializing the Guwahati Blind School, and he had special corner not just for differently abled people, but also for animals. So we could see even animals were paying tribute to the legendary singer. Yesterday, his pet dogs were brought to the funeral site where they paid their last rites. Preeti. So that's the emotion which we carry, because this was a legendary singer who did not live like a celebrity. He led a normal life. He listened to people of, and especially the people of Assam. Even his house in Mumbai was always open to Assamese people to discuss films, songs, and to have productive discussions on film. So his heart was like his heart was for the people of Assam, and he always stood up for the rights of the indigenous people. He was one non-political figure who stood up during the Citizenship Amendment Bill. So he was always vocal about any kind of issues, and he did not care about anyone. He had said that he has no caste, he has no religion, he has no God. He only knew humanity, and that's why he was free, and that's why he was Kanchenjunga. And today the whole nation is singing national anthem, the Maya Bini, which he had said in a concert during 2019 at B. Borga College to be sung when he died. So today the people of Assam are singing Maya Bini at each and every corner. If you see, the state is in a complete standstill for the past 3 days, and this is the fourth day of mourning. However, the Assam government has appealed to all the businessmen, to all the shopkeepers to open their establishments after 2 p.m. And following which normal life is expected to begin after his
Right.
final rite will be performed. Preeti.
All right. So, thank you so much, Sabina, for joining in with those details from Dibrugarh.